Hi there. Today I will be guiding you through how to generate consistent character in Leonardo AI. Basically, if you want to create consistent character, which you can use for video or for your other purpose, then you need to write the same prompt. And make sure you are good in writing the prompt, because with the help of the prompt, Leonardo can generate the same image that you want. But if you don't know how to write the prompt, then no need to worry. You can use ChatGPT or any other AI, and you can ask to write the prompt then you can use for generating images in Leonardo. Now, how can we generate character with the prompt? So let me move to ChatGPT, and here I ask to GPT, I want to create a story, and then I will write my data, and here I ask GPT to write the prompt. So I can use all these in the Leonardo for generating consistent images. So let me write. After giving command to GPT, I write the title of my story, then I will hit this arrow. Below, you will see the whole prompt and a script for Leonardo. What you have to do, simply copy the prompt, move to Leonardo, hit image. Here, simply paste the prompt. Now, before hitting generate, move to GPT and here copy the first script. Now, what I will do is, I will paste the first script just before the prompt. Simply choose the style which you prefer, just like I will do this anime style. And then hit generate. And below you can see the generations. Let the Leonardo finish it. And you can see the generation by the Leonardo. All the images are too good, but if you think these are not, then hit generate to generate the images again. Now time to generate the second pic, but before doing it, you have to download one of these which you like. Just like I will download this. Now the image has been downloaded. Click on this, type it, call image guidance. Click on the option style references and upload your image. Let me do it. Below you can see the reference image which I just pasted. Now move back to ChatGPT. Copy the second one. Now I will delete the first script and I'll paste the second and then hit generate. Let me scroll down and here you can see now it start generating again and you can see the same image generation. So with the help of my method, you can generate consistent images in Leonardo and
That's it.